You know, I don't know how to feel, bro. I genuinely don't know how to feel. Do you think it might be because of that? When was Monday? Wasn't Monday yesterday? Yesterday was Monday. So do you think it might have had, I don't know. Do you think yesterday's sell had something to do with the Iran bomb that the bomb Iran sent to the US yesterday? Do you think it might have had something to do with that? I wonder, bro. I wonder because my nigga, everyone that I look, every major person who trades XAU that I was looking at was also looking to take this thing up yesterday. So it going down is like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Okay, but let's just look at what happened this week. What's going on today? I'm having a look on my desktop, and it seems like it's reacting off of a key level we had already marked out on a higher time frame. Let's keep having a look. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so we saw this. This is good. I think I removed this other one. Let me remove this one too. Let me remove this one too. Okay, let's go back to 5 minute. So, either way, I can't draw. I'm gonna try to extend. Wait, my bad, mistake. I'm gonna try to extend this one and see what we can do with this. Okay, that doesn't really look too interesting. I don't want to move. I don't want to move this. I don't want to move this over here because nah, I just don't feel like doing that. No, it won't give me anything special. Okay, what I can do is the following. Watch what I'm gonna do. Let me do it on my desktop. It'll look better on the desktop. So this is what I can do for now. Let me just make this thick, increase the width. See that? And then I'm going to zoom in a bit more again so I can get the second trend line. Wait. Short. Wait. I'm gonna do this so I can get this second one. Right here. Let's see. Is it giving us something? It might be. Okay. I'm gonna keep these like this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look for confirmations. What time frame? I'm still on the 5 minute time frame. Okay. Okay, there's a confirmation right here. There's a confirmation right here. That's on the 5 minute time frame. What's this? Okay, no, don't need those. How about this? Okay. guys in a second. Right now, I'm just trying to find these indicators and see what I can see, because right now, I don't think I like what I'm seeing right now. Okay, that's good. Ooh, this is interesting. Okay, so this is all I can see on the 1 minute time frame. On the 5 minute. Now I'm gonna move to the 1 minute and see what I can find. Hopefully we can get something interesting. No, don't need that. Hopefully we can find something interesting. Doesn't look like it. We had this over here. And it got tested. That's interesting. This is interesting. I will take note of that. So on the 1 minute time frame, wait, I'll show you guys what I saw. Give me a second. Let me do it. I'll decide later what to do with it. No, no, it's not there. It's not there. Two. I mean, even if I do that, okay, now let's delete this. That's not gonna work. Okay. This looks good. So far, I'm getting a lot more sell indicators that are. So far, I'm getting a lot more sell indicators that look good. The bullish indicators that I see aren't that strong. Yeah, the bullish indicators that I see aren't that strong. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one here. This one is solid. Yeah, that one is solid. I don't like what I'm seeing today. I don't see anything clear, bro. Okay, that's good. Come on, come on. Oh, that's hard. That is so tough, bro. So the only sell indicator we got here is down here. Oh, that sucks. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I saw. Let me show you guys what I saw. So this is the 5 minute time frame, right? As you can see, it was here. This is not too bad. This is good. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame. I want to show you guys my confusion. So you can see we have the indicator over here. Let me move this indicator. Dude, come on now. What's wrong with this indicator? Y'all get what I'm trying to do, bro. What I'm trying to do is this indicator is supposed to be here. So my thing is, this shouldn't have came back here. It should have left. So this already is telling me that market is gonna break this trend line, right? That's what that is telling me. And then up here, peep, the same thing is happening. Up here we don't have an indicator. We don't have an indicator over there. we only have this one, which is up here. And honestly speaking, I haven't seen something like this in a while. Usually I see it getting tested, but my point is both these trend lines don't look that good. This one looks good. This one looks good. Oh, that was not a confirmation. Maybe it was on the 5-minute time frame. So with that being said, I need to move very cautiously, because this is telling me this trend line is definitely going to be broken. But it's also telling me that this one is going to be broken. So the one thing I can do for myself right now is look for momentum swing. That's the one thing I can do for myself right now, is look for a momentum swing. But I'm struggling to see one. I'm really struggling to see one unless I do this. Right. Unless I do that. Or grab it from here, do that. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking about you know how when I see something repeating from the previous day and it shows up today, usually this means that the same thing that happened yesterday is going to happen today. So in this instance, this is telling me that this won't go up. It's telling me that this is going to go down. I mean, this won't go down, it's going to go up. You feel me? So I don't know. We'll take it up. Based on what happened yesterday, we'll take it up. I'm just going to look for confirmation to take it up. If this came after 16:30, we'll take it up from here. Okay, today entry might be late, but I think definitely based on what I'm seeing, I'm going to take this thing up. Let's take it up. Let's take it up for where market is right now. Let's mark this over here. And then let's mark 8. Wait, what am I doing? Let me just delete this because clearly this is not helping. Let's take it from where market is right now. Let's say 8 points. That looks like 8 points. Dude, what's going on with my fingers today? Okay, let's look for young 1 to 2. Okay, that looks like a young 1 to 2, and then we're gonna put in a stop loss trade. Wait, before I do that, let me extend this one. Put it at least around 8. Let's take this up. Put in a stop loss trade. That's not that one there. And then for this, wait, what? Okay, minus 1.87, right? Minus 1.87 daily percent. Okay, so this is gonna come all the way up here. Yeah, this is gonna go all the way to here. Yeah, so this is what I see for today. For today, this is what I'm seeing. For today, this is what I'm seeing. And the reason why is 2 week trend lines and a momentum swing. But because yesterday's momentum swing, because yesterday's strategy looked exactly like this and it went into the opposite direction. Today, we're going to do the same thing. Wait. Yeah, because as you can see, yesterday we had a momentum swing with 2 week trend lines and we look to take it up. So today we're going to do the opposite of that, right? So that's what we're going to do, and that's why I'm seeing what I'm seeing. So I'm going to post this on Reddit. I'm going to post this on Reddit. Let me just take a screenshot. Let me just take a screenshot. This is going to be a good trade because I'm also seeing a gap around here. This looks good. What was yesterday's daily percentage? Wasn't it minus 3% or something like that? Minus 0.3. Also, I had to re-upload the trading plan. I don't know why it didn't appear yesterday, because I did post it when I posted the analysis, but for whatever reason the PNG didn't upload. So I'm gonna rock with y'all for a while and see if we have any momentum. You know what I'm gonna take note of? The only thing that I see is different today. Alright, as much as I said this strategy was the same. Yesterday we had bullish momentum swing. Today we have a bearish momentum swing. So that will also be a big learning thing for me. Damn, today is only Tuesday. I thought today would be like Wednesday or something. That's minus 1.87%. Okay, I'm gonna keep this like, I'm gonna keep it like this. Should we expect a lot of volume? I think so, yes, we can expect a lot of volume from this. Definitely. Based on the angle of these trend lines, you can expect a lot of volume from what's going to happen here. definitely you can expect a lot of volume. So I'm going to keep monitoring this, and then I'm going to drop a leveraging video after, or during the day. I'll probably drop a leveraging video as this continues. So for now, just hold this, and yeah, 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 yeah. Pretty confident. I'm pretty confident about what I just did right now. Should I check FF? I'm gonna have a look at Forex Factory and see what's happening. Maybe there's something that's influencing the charts today. US not in recession in like 5 hours. Oh no, 2 hours. Tomorrow. Tomorrow is the US Fed chair power. Okay. US final GDP, US unemployment claims. Okay, but is there something that happened today? Because if there was something that happened today, maybe it'll explain this. That was Sunday, that was Monday. Oh, a lot of things happened yesterday. A lot of things happened yesterday. Yesterday was the PMI. Today we have the CPI on the Canadian dollar. GBP, what's happening? Governor Bailey speaks. Fed chair testifies. Okay. And let me just have a look at this. Usual effect. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Actual greater than forecast. What was actual? Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So the actuals are all less than. So that's why it's sold. Okay, that makes sense. So all the actuals are less than. So tomorrow we have a bunch of CPI. So this week is gonna be a hectic week. That's why based off yesterday, I'm not gonna really stress too much. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now let's hold this. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, man. Tomorrow, and I'm gonna drop the